Hey, Remote Pilot 101, Jason here. A quick video today sharing with you 3 recurring maintenance items that we do in our day-to-day operations. Our main workhorse is the DJI Inspire 2 that we're using for the majority of our filmmaking and our videos and our operations that we do. And there's a lot of work that goes into that and a lot of recurring maintenance that goes into that as well. And it always for us actually, number one, starts with the propellers. In manned aviation, we do a pre-flight inspection. It is no different in unmanned aviation as well. A good rule of thumb is, if I can get a fingernail stuck in a groove, it's probably time to replace it. And that can happen. You gotta remember how fast this is spinning. A simple nick, especially way out here, can prove devastating. We've all seen videos of an Inspire that's lost a prop or a piece of a prop, and it doesn't end up too pretty. My second recurring maintenance item falls in the category of batteries. We use a service, used to be called Healthy Drones, now called AirData UAV, to help keep track of just that, the health of our batteries and how they're doing, how they're performing, were they properly exercised. All our batteries are labeled, by the way. This is 3-1, this is 2-1, this is 2-2. All the batteries are labeled as well, and all that data reports back to that AirData UAV. Again, no affiliation with them, just a service that we use. Batteries, maintaining batteries, preventing battery fires, that's just of an utmost importance to us. And lastly is your software and firmware up to date? Firmware for your DJI product, wherever you're flying, for the app, for the iPad, whatever that may be. Do you know that if you were to have an accident and they traced it back to DJI, traced it back, and trust me, these all have a little black box, we'll call it, that records everything that happens. They trace it back to you didn't update when it was a mandatory update, or you were out, this far out of date, whatever that may be, that you may not get your free, under warranty repair. You may not get your insurance claim. Please follow these recurring maintenance items. We're Part 107 operators. We are commercial operators, and it's important we continue to operate, not just, current here. We want to be proficient. We want to be a master. That's what we're truly working to pursue. Listen, thank you for making Remote Pilot 101 the most successful Part 107 course on the market. 20,000 past tests. We couldn't do it without you all. We'll see you guys.